Samsung seems to be preparing for the imminent launch of the Galaxy S24 series, which is set to dispel a year's worth of rampant rumors and leaks. Despite earlier suggestions hinting at satellite connectivity in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a recent report implies that this feature might not make the final cut, setting it apart from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Speculation has swirled around the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event, reportedly slated for mid-January. Expectations are high for the debut of three models: the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, a recent report suggests that the release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might come earlier than initially anticipated, potentially leading to the exclusion of satellite connectivity. Despite ongoing rumors throughout the previous year about satellite connectivity being integrated into the Galaxy S series, this feature notably didn't appear in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hopeful expectations for its inclusion in the Galaxy S24 Ultra have been cast into doubt by the recent report. The envisioned satellite connectivity was poised to function as an emergency SOS via satellite, enabling users to contact emergency services in critical situations, particularly when standard network connectivity was unavailable. Speculations surrounding the forthcoming flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, hint at various improvements and upgrades. These include talks of a titanium frame, reminiscent of the build quality seen in competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, rumored features encompass a flatter display, a more powerful CPU, and an enhanced 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are expected to be slightly more affordable than their predecessors, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra might carry a higher price tag than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Estimated prices for the Galaxy S24 start at €899 for the 128 gigs model and €959 for the 256 gigs model. The Galaxy S24 Plus is anticipated to be priced around €1,149 for the 256 gigs version and €1,269 for the 512 gigs model. As for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, prices might start at €1,449 for the 256 gigs version and €1,569 for the 512 gigs model. There's also speculation about a 1TB version, but its price remains undisclosed. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.